Hi, I'm Roger here in Junction City, Oregon with Guarantee. Today we're going to be looking at a 31-foot Minnie Winnie by Winnebago. This one is the 31K, which is a great floor plan for those that like driving in the Class C but still want that Class A kind of features. We've got the push button electric awning. Push a button, your awning's open. What's really nice about that is middle of the night, you hear the wind picking up, you think, oh gosh, I should close my awning. You don't have to go outside. You can just hop up, push a button, have it close. We've got some great amenities in this vehicle. Here's our propane tank. Our propane tank is fixed, so you don't have to lug bottles over to the gas station or whatever to get them filled up. Just drive up, fill up the fuel tank, and of course, get your propane full. Storage pod. Another storage pod. Those are great. They're little, they work. Great place to put a little bit of storage in them, you know. But when it comes to storage, I like the big ones. I call this the spare guest bedroom. It's actually a horrible idea. It's directly underneath the bed. All the screaming and yelling will keep you up all night. You get to that storage area from two different sides, which makes it very useful. Our dumps are easy to get to. I like the fact that this one does have the Santa flush system. It's the little things that really make a coach kind of a home. That one is going to allow you to wash out any residual contamination in your black tank, so you're not carrying that stuff around. And then we've got our cable, our city fill, our tank fill, however you want to use it. Let's go on inside. It's a little loud out here. We've got our 5,000-pound tow hitch on the back. Up front, we've got our Ford chassis. This is going to be on the Ford 6-speed transmission with the Ford Triton V10 engine. Our backup monitor there is going to allow us to see what's going on behind us. If we're towing something, we can make sure it's still back there, or if we're backing up, we can get really right up to something without bumping it. Okay. Up front, we also have our full bed there for our passengers. The sofa is going to make into a bed. This is the big U-shaped booth dinette. Also makes into a bed. I love to cook when I'm out camping in my RV, so I love the fact that we do have quite a bit of kitchen counter space here. Where the actual cooking stuff is going on is away from the TV, so you prep if someone's watching a show. Everybody can still utilize the coach and be comfortable. A lot of great storage throughout. We've got our microwave, 3-burner stove, and the oven, so multiple cooking abilities. Great little pantry here with pull-out drawer shelves. Full roller bearing drawer guides. We've got the Norcold fully adjustable refrigerator freezer. And this is what we call the pass-through bathroom. Okay, shower on one side, private potty on the other. This door is actually spring-loaded to help hold it in place for your privacy. It works as a privacy door for the bathroom and the bedroom. In the front of the bathroom, we do have a pocket door that opens and closes, and that's going to give you your full privacy for the bathroom. Double layer of privacy for the bedroom. Back here in the bedroom, we've got an upgraded mattress. Looks like a Tempur-Pedic, but I'm not positive. It's very, very comfortable. Good size storage on each side of the bed. They've got little nightstands here, because we all have stuff to put alongside our bed at night. A couple of windows, one on each side. Great storage over the bed. Reading lights over the bed. Little cubby on the driver's side of the bed. Still got those nightstands on both sides. It's a pretty nice unit. I'm Roger with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions about this rig or any others, please give me a call. Thanks.